Welcome to Elite Service Channel. Today we're diving into 10 brilliant home hacks that will not only boost your happiness, but help you celebrate your space. From organizing tips to DIY decor ideas, we've got everything you need to transform your home into a joyful sanctuary. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hack number 1, the power of decluttering. You've probably heard it a million times, but decluttering is like magic for your mood. Too much stuff? It's overwhelming. But when you start to clear out the unnecessary, you create space for peace and calm. Try this. Start with one small area, maybe your kitchen counter or bedside table. Commit to removing 5 things you no longer need. It's a small win that snowballs into big change. Now let's talk about lighting. Hack number 2 is all about setting the mood with warm lighting. Natural light is a known mood booster, but you can take it a step further by adding soft, warm lighting to your space. Think string lights, candles, or even switching out harsh light bulbs for something softer. This gives your home that cozy, welcoming vibe that'll instantly make you feel more relaxed and comfortable. Hack number 3 is for all the plant lovers, or even if you're not, you might want to be after this. Bring the outside in. Adding plants to your space isn't just about aesthetics. Plants are proven to reduce stress and increase happiness. Plus, they clean the air. If you're worried about keeping them alive, start with something low maintenance, like a snake plant or succulents. Trust me, even a small splash of greenery can make a huge difference in your space. On to hack number 4. Personalize your space with memories. It's easy to get caught up in Instagram-worthy decor trends, but your home should reflect you. Print out some of your favorite photos, frame them, or create a gallery wall. Add keepsakes that make you smile. When you surround yourself with things that remind you of happy moments, you'll feel more connected to your space and boost your mood in the process. Hack number 5 is all about using essential oils. Now, this might sound like a small thing, but adding calming scents to your home can be a total game changer. Lavender, eucalyptus, or even citrus scents can help lift your mood. Try adding a diffuser in your living room or bedroom and let those calming aromas work their magic. Bonus points if you combine this with a decluttered, clean space. Now that's a vibe. Speaking of cozy vibes, hack number 6 is an easy one. Layer up with textures. Soft blankets, comfy pillows, and a plush rug can make any space feel instantly more inviting. It's all about creating a sensory experience. The more textures, the cozier it feels. And who doesn't love sinking into a cloud of pillows after a long day? For hack 7, let's get creative with some DIY decor. You don't need to spend tons of money to make your space feel special. Get crafty with some easy DIY projects, like painting an accent wall, making your own wall art, or even repurposing old furniture. These small creative efforts add a personal touch to your home and give you a sense of accomplishment. Hack number 8 is an absolute must: organize your entryway. Your home's entrance sets the tone for how you feel when you walk in. A cluttered entryway? Instant stress. An organized, welcoming one? Instant joy. Add a small table for keys, a hook for bags, or a cozy rug to greet you. This tiny transformation can have a big impact on your mood every time you step through the door. Hack number 9, embrace color. Colors have a powerful effect on your emotions. If your space feels dull, add pops of color that make you happy. Whether it's through artwork, pillows, or even just a colorful vase on the table, surround yourself with hues that bring you joy. Don't be afraid to experiment. Even something small can make a big difference. And finally, hack number 10, create a relaxation corner. Life can be stressful, so having a dedicated space just for relaxing is a must. It doesn't have to be a whole room, just a cozy chair, a soft throw, and a good book. This little corner can be your go-to place when you need a moment to unwind and recharge. It's all about creating a sanctuary within your home. And there you have it. 10 brilliant home hacks that will not only boost your happiness, but help you celebrate your space. Whether you're decluttering, adding personal touches, or just trying to make things a bit cozier, these tips will make your home feel like a joyful retreat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Elite Service Channel.